Bitcoin pops 10% after Elon Musk suggests Tesla could accept the cryptocurrency again. In this video, we will cover the Bitcoin and the Elon Musk tweet which increased the Bitcoin value. Bitcoin surged 10.2% to $38,903.23 as of 11 p.m. ET Sunday according to data from CoinDesk. Those gains came after Elon Musk said Sunday that Tesla will resume Bitcoin transaction once the electric vehicle maker confirms there is reasonable clean energy usable by miners. So the Bitcoin's price surged Sunday evening stateside after Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the electric vehicle maker could accept Bitcoin transaction gain in future. As of 11 p.m. ET Sunday, Bitcoin surged 10.2% to $38,903.23 according to data from CoinDesk. Since the start of the year, Bitcoin has surged more than 30%, though its current price is way off the all-time high of $64,829.14 hit in April. Those gains came after Musk said Sunday that Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transaction when there is confirmation of reasonable around 50% clean energy usage by miners with positive future trend. Cointelegraph tweeted on Twitter, "Did you see Elon Musk is catching flack again, but what's it's for this time?" Signia CEO Magda lambasted him, saying what we have seen with Bitcoin is price manipulation by one very powerful and influential individual. Tesla's had led car purchases with Bitcoin in mid-May, citing concerns over the climate impact of cryptocurrency mining. Crypto mining requires massive amount of energy to fuel powerful computers. Bitcoin mining consumes more energy than entire countries such as Finland and Belgium, according to the Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index. The last development marks yet another example of large market moves following comments by the Tesla CEO and billionaire. Hundreds of billions of dollars were wiped off the cryptocurrency market after Musk tweeted in May about Tesla's suspension of car purchases using Bitcoin. Musk's past tweets have been linked to movies in the stock market, ranging from so-called meme stock such as GameStop to the investor of rival song Baby Shark. Bitcoin under environmental spotlight. The environmental impact of Bitcoin mining has come under intense scrutiny. As part of its crackdown on Bitcoin, China's Inner Mongolia region, a major Bitcoin mining hub, in late May proposed punishment for companies and individuals involved in digital currency mining. It came after Chinese Vice Premier Liu He said it is necessary to crack down on Bitcoin mining and trading behavior to prevent the transmission of individual risks to the social field. Elsewhere, Iran's government announced in May a ban of mining of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies until September 22, after official and said blackouts in the country's capital of Tehran and several other large cities were in the path due to the energy-intensive activity. So this was all about Bitcoin and the manipulation of Elon Musk towards the Bitcoin. One tweet of Elon Musk has surged Bitcoin 10% to $38,903.23 according to the data from CoinDesk. This is not the first time that Musk is manipulating the Bitcoin users and Bitcoin minings. So this much for today's video. We will be back again with some interesting stock market and cryptocurrency news and information with you. So if you want to stay updated, subscribe our YouTube channel for more news and updates from Bitcoin market. Thank you for watching.